Do you want to speak English confidently in your daily life?
Great! You are in the right place. In this video, you will learn simple and practical English sentences that you can use every single day. You'll hear useful sentences about home, food, school, work, shopping, traveling, phone conversations, and everyday feelings. So, are you ready to improve your English? Let's begin. Which team did you support in the FIFA World Cup? Tell me in the comments.
Wow! I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I take a cart. I take a cart. I take a basket. I take a basket. I buy a bottle of water. I buy a bottle of water. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bag of sugar. I buy a bag of sugar. I buy a bag of rice. I buy a bag of rice. I buy a box of cookies. I buy a box of cookies. I go. Wow!
So, let's move on to the next part.
I buy a box of eggs. I buy a box of eggs. I go to the checkout. I go to the checkout. I wait in line. I wait in line. I put items on the belt. I put items on the belt. I pay cash. I pay cash. I pay by card. I pay by card. I pack my bags. I pack my bags. I carry my bags. I carry my bags. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. Wow!
So, let's move on to the next part.
I pay with my phone. I pay with my phone. I buy meat. I buy meat. I buy cheese. I buy cheese. This is on sale. This is on sale. I need help. I need help. Can you help me? Can you help me? I buy bread. I buy bread. I buy eggs. I buy eggs.
So, how did you find this video? If you have any questions, any confusion at all, drop them in the comments below. I will personally answer every single one in a professional way. That's my promise to you.